Adele had said something rhythmic, it would be really cool to have a distinctive piano line at the beginning that also pushed in terms of the rhythm. So, like the first arpeggio is, but if I play it with the drums, like every chord change, and it's super simple chords, D minor, F, C, G minor, so like a four bar, 4 chord sequence. Everything is pushed just to give it that momentum. They were the chords, and it was as simple as that. I mean, I wish I could have replicated that, because it's kind of a life-changing song to have written, and it's not like those songs sort of come along every day.